Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java HashMap. So let's get started. So here in HashMap, like array stores item in a ordered collection. Okay, and you have to access them with the index. Okay, so in HashMap, store element in key and value pair, and you can access them by index of another type. Okay, one object is used as a key, means index, and another is a value. So you can store different types of string, integer. String is the key and integer is the value, or same type can be the string is a key and string is a value. Okay, now the syntax, how are we creating the object? HashMap string, this is key, this is value. Okay, this is capital cities, HashMap string, key and value. Okay, and this is under Java util package. So we will you instead of add we use dot put. Okay, for key and value pair. Okay, so we will put, and now we will get printed. So USA equal to that. So this equal to this one, like this one is equal to this one, Germany equal to Berlin, England equal to London. So this is equal to this one we will be doing. So England. Okay, so like this all the cities are given of this array. Okay, HashMap values are given like this. Okay, now we will, how you can access them? Using get England, then full value will be England is here, so London value we can get. So this is the index. Okay, in the key and value you can get. Okay, how to remove? To remove England, to write if it is remove England, and first value will be removed. Rest all you can see, but England equal to London is not there. Okay, like clear, you want to remove all the values, then you use this. Okay, not clear, nothing is there now. Okay, like this you can dot size for and the size. So 1 2 3 4 4 is the size, so 4 is coming. Okay, loop through HashMap. How you will loop through? String I we have taken. Now here we use key set. Okay, because key value paper is key set. Okay, and then printing I, so all the 4 values are printing here. Okay, so all the keys have been printed. Okay, and its value you have to print, and then dot values you have to use. All the values are printed. Okay, and both you have to print, and then you have to print like this. So keys is I, and this one. Okay, this is England. So keys is there like USA the key, and value Washington DC. So like this, and get I. Okay, so print I and get I. I is here where we have a key set. Okay, so like this you can get both of them. Like you have to use now HashMap. Okay, we have here created the object, we have put some values. Now we have used for each loop people dot get key set. So I, we are getting the key and its value get I. Get I means 32. Okay, so like this all the values are printed. You can check it out. If you have any question, please do comment. Okay, and please do subscribe my channel, like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.